Did you know that a simple grain bowl can transform your health? Let's dive into creating a delicious Mediterranean grain bowl that's not only easy, but also incredibly nutritious. Start with a base of cooked quinoa or farro. Just 1 cup provides a hefty dose of protein and fiber, making it a fantastic choice for sustained energy. Next, add a colorful array of veggies like diced cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and bell peppers. These vibrant additions are rich in vitamins and minerals, making your bowl a nutrient powerhouse that supports overall wellness. For protein, toss in some chickpeas or grilled chicken. Both options boost satiety and keep your energy levels steady throughout the day, perfect for busy lifestyles. Now, for the dressing. Mix olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper for that classic Mediterranean flavor that ties everything together beautifully. Imagine digging into a bowl filled with fresh ingredients, vibrant colors, and zesty dressing that not only tastes amazing, but also keeps you full for hours. Try this today and elevate your lunch or dinner effortlessly. Would you try this? Share your favorite healthy food hacks with us and inspire others to eat well.